Hello students. At last lecture, we have studied the crystal structure and number of particles, that is atoms, ions or molecules present in simple cubic structure, body center cubic structure and face center cubic structure. Again, we completed the relationship between molar mass, density of substance and unit cell age length and numericals based on this. Today, we have to study about packing of particles in crystal lattice. Crystal lattice is nothing but the arrangement of the constituent particles like atoms, ions or molecules at various positions at lattice points within the unit cell of crystal lattice is called packing of particle in crystal lattice. In case of packing of particles in a crystal, the individual particles are treated as hard spheres. Here we consider hard spheres are nothing but atoms, ions or molecules. Now, the number of neighboring spheres that touch any given sphere is its coordination number. Now, we have to study about closed packed structure. This can be studied by using dimensional theories. We know by looking at the closed packing in one dimension and two dimensions, it is very conveniently known about three-dimensional closed packed structures. First, we look in one dimension theory. A closed packed one-dimensional structure can be obtained by arranging the spheres to touch each other in a horizontal row only. In this arrangement, coordination number of each sphere is equal to 2. Look at the diagram. Secondly, in two dimensions, a closed packed two-dimensional structure can be obtained by stacking the rods together such that they are in contact with each other as given in figure. Observe this figure. Thus, two-dimensional closed packing structure can be generated by placing one-dimensional linear crystal structure over another one to form multiple layers. Such multiple layers are obtained by two ways. We see this one by one. In first way, forming square closed packed structure. Here, linear layers are stacked over each other in such a way that the spheres align vertically and horizontally. Observe the figure. In this arrangement, every sphere touches four neighboring spheres. A square is obtained by joining the centers of these four closest neighbor spheres. Therefore, it is called square closed packing. In this arrangement, coordination number of each sphere is equal to 4. In this type, if the first row is labeled as A type, then second and all subsequent rows are also identical. Hence, this is of the A type and therefore this planar two-dimensional closed packing is called AAAA type as shown in figure. In second way, forming hexagonal closed packing. Here, the crest of the spheres of one row are placed into the troughs formed between adjacent spheres of next row. I repeat this. The crest of the spheres of one row are placed into the troughs formed between adjacent spheres of next row. This arrangement is repeated throughout. In this arrangement, each sphere touches 6 closest other spheres around it. Observe the figure carefully. A regular hexagon is obtained by joining the centers of these 6 closest spheres. Therefore, it is called hexagonal close packing. In this, coordination number of each sphere is equal to 6. In this type, if one row of spheres is labeled as A, then the next row will be B. Third row will again be A and fourth row will be B, and so on. Hence, this planar or two-dimensional close packing is called ABAB type as shown in figure. Now, we have to study about the third type, that is close packing in 3 dimensions. Now, stacking of two-dimensional layers gives rise to 3-dimensional crystal structure. Two-dimensional square close packed layers are formed to stack only in one way to give simple cubic lattice, that is SC or primitive unit cell. But the two-dimensional hexagonal close packed layers are found to stack in 2 ways. They form hexagonal close packed, that is HCP structure, and face-centered cubic structure, that is FCC structure. That means in 3 dimensions there are 3 types of unit cells. SC unit cell formed by 2-dimensional square close packed layers, and HCP and FCC structures formed by 2-dimensional hexagonal close packed layers. In first type, that means in 3-dimensional close packing, which is from 2-dimensional AAA type. Here, the stacking of square close packed layers. The second layer is placed over the first layer so as to have its spheres exactly above those of the first layer. As shown in figure, observe the figure carefully. The layers are placed one above the other in the same manner. Due to such type of arrangement, spheres of all the layers are perfectly aligned horizontally as well as vertically as shown in figure. If the layer is named as A layer, all the layers are same or identical, that is alike in nature. Hence, this arrangement is of the AAA type. Such stacking of square close packed layers generates a 3-dimensional simple cubic structure, that is SC or primitive unit cell. In this SC unit cell, each sphere touches 6 neighboring spheres, 4 in its own layer, 1 in the above layer and 1 in the below layer. Therefore, coordination number of each sphere is equal to 6. For example, polonium is only metal that crystallizes in SC structure. Now, we have to study the second type, 3-dimensional close packing from 2-dimensional ABAB type. That is, stacking of hexagonal close packed layers. In this type, hexagonal close packed layers are arranged in a particular manner. If the first layer is labeled as A and second layer is labeled as B layer, then spheres of the second layer are placed in the depression of the first layer. Look at the figure. Therefore, all triangular voids of the first layer are not covered by the spheres of the second layer. Such triangular voids are covered by the spheres of the second layer, which generate tetrahedral voids as shown in figure. A tetrahedral void is surrounded by four spheres. On joining the centers of these four spheres, a tetrahedron is formed. The remaining triangular voids of the first layer have above them the triangular voids of the second layer. The overlapping of these triangular voids from the two layers together form an octahedral void which is surrounded by six spheres as shown in figure. Now students, it is important to remember that the triangular shapes of depressions in A and B layer do not overlap. The depressions in which spheres of second layer rest are tetrahedral voids, while the depressions in which no sphere rests are octahedral voids. Observe the figure carefully. Thus, the vacant space or void among four constituent particles having tetrahedral arrangement in the crystal lattice is called tetrahedral void, and the vacant space or void at the centers of six spheres or particles which are placed octahedrally is called octahedral void. Now, it is very important thing to remember that if capital N number of particles are present in any crystal structure, then number of tetrahedral voids are 2n and number of octahedral voids is only n. Now students, in third type, that is three-dimensional close packing by placing third hexagonal close pack layers. We have to study this now. Again, there are two ways of placing the third hexagonal close pack layer on the second layer. In first way, to align the spheres of the third layer with spheres of first layer, give AB type of arrangement, and this results in hexagonal close pack structure, that is HCP structure. For example, metals like magnesium, zinc, beryllium, cadmium crystallizes in HCP structure. In second way, the spheres of third layer do not align with the spheres of first or second layer. Third layer is different, so-called C layer. The spheres of fourth layer get aligned with the spheres of first layer. Such pattern of stacking hexagonal close pack layers is called ABC type, that results in cubic close pack structure, that is CCP structure. This is same as face centered cubic structure, that is FCC structure. Now look the figure or observe it carefully. For example, metals like copper, silver, iron, nickel crystallizes in CCP structure or FCC structure. For three-dimensional close pack structure, coordination number of any sphere in simple cubic, that is SC structure, is equal to 6, and the coordination number of any sphere in HCP and CCP or FCC structure is equal to 12 only. Now we stop here. The next lecture will be later on. Thank you.